That would make sense. I'm having a hard time going somewhere. I'm like, what's the problem? Apparently I'm pushing rocks. Life of a YouTuber, before we start any day, we gotta find a nice clear spot somewhere so we can throw Starlink up and get you guys a video. Let's do that quick before we all get to start a day. Yeah, it's telling me on your end that your signal is weak. I wonder if that thing has to be in line of sight. That doesn't make sense though.
Yeah, I don't know. I can move it a little bit.
So I bought that mobile little mesh node, whatever they call it. It's another one of these Starlink things. Emmy's got it in her vehicle and it's showing on my end that it's getting a bit of a weak connection. So the inside of her van is completely covered in Reflectix, and I think maybe that foil keeps a lot of connection from allowing it to come into the vehicle. My video went up in really good time. She's up there, usually just connects to here, but she's a fair amount in front of me. A lot of times, you know, we don't need that extra node, but I thought I would buy it thinking it would increase her signal strength over there, but it's having a problem inside of her space. I'm doing great in here though. He's our sleepy boy. Hi, Cruzy. He's sleeping right in front of the heater. Your favorite spot, bro. We need to grab some berries out of the fridge. Oh, that's some funky blueberries in there. A few funky ones. And a raspberry stick. Ah, screw it, we're gonna pour it all in there, let's go. Well, it was a success. Amy got hers up too. Nighty night, Starlink. Every day I love that. We're gonna have to take a day and experiment with that thing. Come on, Cruzy, let's go. Come on, buddy. Let's go. This road here takes us to the opposite side of the lake that we stayed at the other day. We're on the west side of, I think that's Pie Lake. My van's squeaking. It's got a rattle. Pretty amazing little camp spot here, but over there on the sign says no campfires. Right there, no campfires in this area. So I'm not sure if that sign was put up there in the summer during fire season and then none of the parks guys ever removed it, but we're not gonna stay here just in case that is the case. I don't wanna be breaking any policies and stuff like that out here in the backcountry in case there's another reason why there's no campfires allowed on this side of the lake, but there is on the other side. So we're gonna move on down the trail a bit. Amy just radioed me and said that there's some trees across the trail over here. And then she doesn't think we're gonna be able to pass. Jackpot, baby!
Foreign fix.
It takes a little bit of this. That tree was just stuck down in there and done deal. No chainsaw required. Looks like this place has had some better days. Some windstorm has taken out a pile of trees here. Someone's already done a lot of cutting. I haven't been down this side of the lake in probably 2.5 years. I love these foggy days. So beautiful. You know, this is the part of the rain that I like, is that misty fogginess. looks so good. I love using Gaia Maps. So this road right here takes us over to the lake that we stayed at a few days ago. Just kind of like a little crossover road. We got another little spot here with some trees falling. I think we should be able to make it. Hopefully Emmy is gonna be okay. Oh yeah, this took a turn. Hold on, let me get up around the corner. I'll check your clearance.
Oh, but you are taller than me.
Yeah, but you got things on your roof you can damage. I don't.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for you. You coming back or?
I'm gonna move some of these out of the way. I think if Emmy curves that side, she might be okay. You're welcome. So that's the only problem. I mean, me and Emmy are about the same height with my rooftop carrier, puts me about the same height as her, but she's got things that she can damage. Like if something hits the side of that fiberglass, it may rip the top of it wide open like a can of beans, you know what I mean? Where me, if things smack against the roof, I'm okay. And if it damages my rooftop carrier, it doesn't really damage my home. So having a high top out here in these scenarios, you got to drive a tiny bit more careful with some of the branches that are hanging lower. That, and she also has upper windows as well. So it gives her another point if something were to smack in and break a window, that would suck. If you're ever out here in the backcountry and you see roads that are saying down, like 3 down, that means 3 kilometers down to the end of that Forest Service road. That's an easy way to navigate your way out, find all the areas that say down and not up. It's really nice to have that sign system out here because I've had to use them many a times. I'm driving, I get on a new forest road and I'm going way out there and I notice the signs are still saying up. You just turn around and follow that one back and it'll take you back to another Forest Service road. You find the down arrows on that one. Sooner or later, it'll get you back down to a main road somewhere. Or just get yourself a navigation system and then you won't have to worry about all that stuff. Pardon me?
This stuff looks pretty fresh.
Oh, just got back into cell service. We decided we're gonna head into town here since we're about 20 kilometers out and just do a supply run, top up on some food and maybe hit the gym and have a shower while we're here. Hey bro, are you excited we're going back to town, bro? Bro! Zero cares. Welcome to Campbell River. All right, I paid my rent. That's what getting gas is in van life. It's paying rent. Ugh. Look at that shower from right up above. Crazy. You look so sad, bro. You look so sad in the window. Hey, you don't even look real. Just had a super awesome shower. Not a damn chance. I'd rather eat potato chips. That's nuts. $6. $6 for blueberries that'll fit in a hand? No damn way. $7.50 for that. You can buy those at Costco for $3.99. I can't bring myself to buy anything. $8.50 for 3 things of romaine hearts. No thanks. Oh yeah, here's the difference. $8 for non-organic, $8.50 for organic. So yeah, 50-cent savings for a couple leaves. No thanks. I want to buy all my groceries down that aisle. Heading back out of town. That's Campbell River. That's Mr. Cruisy Bear. Your eyes look a little shifty today, bro. The cost of groceries these days is nuts. I made a joke in the vegetable section that everybody around here is rich. How do you afford to buy good quality food these days? I was at a grocery store in Nanaimo before I headed out this way, and I grabbed strawberries. A pack of strawberries, a standard size pack of strawberries was $12.99. What? No! Like, how are you supposed? I don't get what's happening with all this crazy food prices lately. This is why it's so easy to just eat potato chips and like cheap cereals. I don't even know what, I shouldn't say cereals. I didn't even go down and look at the cereal aisle. Who knows? That stuff might be super expensive now too. But I know buying a standard good old bag of no-name chips is still good and cheap. Potatoes, isn't that a vegetable? My gosh, it's hard, man. Like today, I couldn't put things in my bag today. I'm like, I can't buy that. I just couldn't bring. I bought 5 apples, cost me just about $8.